The Zoom APH-4n Pro. The accessory pack for the Zoom H4n Pro handy recorder. The package includes a hairy windscreen with an adjustable drawstring to ensure a secure fit. The windscreen can be used to reduce wind noise when recording outdoors. It also includes a 9-foot attenuation cable. This can be used to reduce the signal by 20 decibels. Also included is a splitter cable. Use the splitter cable to connect to your camera and headphones simultaneously. Also included is a mini USB cable. You can use the H4n Pro as a USB audio interface or SD card reader. The package also includes the APH-4n AC power adapter. It has a 57-inch cable. Its rated output is 5 volts, 1 amp, center positive.